What is this called? Do you know? This is called a planet. What planet is this? Do you know the name of this planet? I do. This planet is called Earth. Can you say Earth? Good, Earth. This is our planet. This is where we live. Would you like me to show you how to make a planet? Yeah? Okay, I will show you how to make a planet. To make a planet, you need a balloon. You can buy these from supermarkets. A balloon, okay? You need some glue. You need some paper. Some water. And a tray. Your food will come on this. Once you have eaten your food, keep the tray, wash with water, and keep this, okay? So we can use this. This is recycled, okay? So, first, we take our balloon and we stretch, okay? We stretch like this, because otherwise we blow and nothing, okay? So we stretch our balloon. Then we take this end and we blow, okay? Watch. Like this, okay? We blow. Okay? Like this. Then we take, like this, we wrap round our finger like this, and we push through like this, okay? If you cannot do this, ask your mum or your dad to help you. So we have tied the balloon, okay? Like this. Now we have a balloon. You see? They are the same shape, okay? Now we put our balloon to one side and we take our tray, okay? And our glue. And we need a lot of glue for this, a lot of glue. We take our glue and we need a lot of glue for this, okay? So we put our glue on our tray, like this, okay? Now, we take our water and we need a lot of water as well, okay? Okay, like this. Then we take a stick and we just mix together, okay? We mix together like this. We are just mixing our glue and our water. If you have too much glue or too much water, you can put more in, okay? Okay, once we have mixed our glue and our water, we take our paper and we just rip our paper like this. We rip our paper to make into smaller pieces, okay? So we have ripped our paper. Then we take our balloon, we put our paper in the glue and water, and we stick on our balloon like this, okay? Don't worry if you get glue on your hands. It's okay. We will wash them later, okay? So we just stick our pieces of paper onto our balloon. And first, we are going to do lines, okay? Going down the balloon. Lines, going down the balloon. Lines, down, okay? So I will show you. Like this. You will see. And another one. See, you can see we are making a line down the balloon, okay? So now we will put our balloon here, take more paper, rip, more paper like this. Okay, just ripping paper here, okay? Take our balloon again, take our paper, put our paper in the glue and stick, okay, like this. And we want a line going all the way around our balloon, okay? We want a line going all the way. All the way around. Okay. There's one line going down on both sides, you see? Now we need to make a line going around the glue. Okay, around like this. So we take more paper and we go around this time, see? Around. Okay, now we have done most of our balloon. We have some gaps. So we just take small pieces and we cover our gaps like this, okay? Just small pieces to make sure the whole balloon is covered, okay? Okay, almost finished. Now one more. And done. So now we have finished our balloon. Make sure we have left a blue bit at the top where we will pop our balloon, okay? But now we must wait for our balloon to dry, okay? We cannot paint our balloon when it is like this. So you will need to watch next time when we will be painting our planet, okay? But remember, if you have made one like this and you have not painted yours yet, why not take a photo and send it to me at this address here? And then we can see what our planets look like. Is yours big? Is yours small? What color balloon did you use for your planet? Why don't you take a photo and then I can see too? So, I will see you next time for when we paint our planet, okay? Goodbye, see you next time.